Welcome back to TLC Crafts and DIYs. My name is Tracy, and today we're going to be doing some Christmas DIYs in collaboration with Sonia from Domestic Diva. I will leave all her links and any information you need down below, and as well as please like this video down below and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell right beside the subscribe button, and that will let you know when I post a video. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to be making a candy cane flower vase thing. I don't really know what to call it, but I am going to go and spray paint this and let it dry, and then I'll get right back to you guys. Okay?
Okay guys, right now we're going to get started on putting our candy canes around the vase, and how I'm going to do this is use an elastic band, because I don't want to use hot glue. I could, but I want to be able to, for people to pull the candy canes out and eat them if they'd like to. As you've seen, I used foam blocks there. You're going to see what that is for a little bit later on in the video. Now we're going to start putting our candy canes around. Now I'm going to wrap some ribbon around the elastic band, and I'm going to use a little tiny bit of glue in certain spots just to hide the elastic band because it's not that pretty. And I'm going to make a tiny little bow, and I'm going to use a little bit of jute twine to tie that together, and then I'm going to glue it onto the front.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
put some flowers in. You can choose any type of flowers you want. These are all flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. In fact, everything I used in this craft, I got from the Dollar Tree. Craft number 2, guys. I'm going to make tree ornament, if you will. What I'm going to do is I am going to take these doorknob protectors that protect your wall. I got them from the Dollar Tree in the automotive section. And I got some scrapbook paper. It's a book that I got from, I'm not sure if I got it from Michael's or from Walmart. I'm going to choose my paper that I like, and I'm going to start to trace out the circles so that I have a perfect match. Then I'm going to use some hot glue, glue it on, and I'm going to put some Mod Podge over top of it. You can use whatever Mod Podge you have handy. I have the matte Mod Podge, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to let it dry. Once it dries, I'm going to put an initial on it for a last name, and then I'm going to embellish it the way I like. You can do whatever you like with this craft. You just take the 2 knob pieces and you stick them together, and then you do what you want to do with it. Craft number 3. I'm going to be making a shadow box trio. First, I'm going to start off with the little house. I'm going to use some scrap paper from the same booklet as I did before. And I'm just going to trace out whichever paper I choose, which is, I think, it's little trees and some other stuff. But you can choose whatever you want to use for your backing and trace it out. Then I'm going to take this tree. I'm going to put a tiny little bit of glue on one portion of it and make sure that the other portion with the switch on it is facing out. And then I'm going to take the Merry Christmas Okay, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe down below. And don't